So you've got a head which needs new valve stem seals, and you don't have the right tool to do that. If you grab some needle nose pliers, you will soon figure out that you can't grab on those things. So what you're gonna do, grab a screwdriver, make it look like that, put a sleeve on it so you don't scratch things like the surface of the channel that the lifter hangs on, and now put it on the side of the seal and start bussing. It's gonna get cut really easily, and it's gonna look like that. So you then get your needle nose pliers and take it out. There you go.